Okay. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss about number system. This is one of the topic in aptitude. This is not the shortcut topic. It's aptitude topic. So one of the topic in aptitude is number system. In number system, we already discussed a few things in last two videos. That is finding LCM and HCF shortcuts and finding last digit. Both comes under number system only. You can check out those videos if you want. You can go back again and check it once. Uh, in number system, there are many other topics which yet to be discussed. So let's discuss a few more topics of number system today. Okay, so let me take finding factors first. Finding factors of not only numbers, finding factors of factorial also. So let me start. Let me start with one simple number, say 10. If I take 10, 10 is divisible by how many different numbers? 10 is divisible by 1, 10 is divisible by 2, 10 is divisible by 5 also. Obviously, 10 is divisible by 10 also. 1 and 10, that is 1 and same number, is by default. All numbers are divisible by 1. All numbers are divisible by same number. Other than that, there is 2 and 5 also in this case. So total 4. So 10 is divisible by 4 different numbers. If I take 20, for example, it is divisible by 1 by default. Then it is divisible by 2 also, 4 also, 5 also, 10 also, 20 also. So it is divisible by 6 different numbers. It is easy because number is easy, number is small. So you can directly find it. If my question to you is 20 is divisible by how many different numbers? 20 is divisible by 6 different numbers. If my question to you is 20 is divisible by x, if 20 is divisible by x, find number of possible values of x. Find number of possible values of x. Number of possible values of x is 6. Number is divisible by 6 different numbers. These are the 6 numbers, but answer for the question is 6. If 20 is divisible by x, find number of possible values of x is 6 is the answer. 10, 20 number easy. You can 30 also you can find it directly. Even if it is 100, I should be able to find it directly. But if say it is 600, then you'll not be able to check one by one, get the answer. That will take time. You need to check literally check this by 1 or not, 2 or not, 3 or not, 4 or not, and so on, right? Isn't it? That will take time. So how to find factors? How to find factors? So time to concentrate finding factors. So finding factors is you need to prime factorize it. What is prime factorizing? Prime factorizing is dividing by prime numbers only. Dividing by prime numbers only. First you need to divide by 2. If it is not divided by 2, then you need to check 3. If it is not divisible by 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. But divisible by prime numbers only. That is prime factorizing it. Let's start. First, divisible by 2, yes, 300. If that number is divisible by 2, yes, 150. Is that 150 divisible by 2? Yes, 75. Is 75 divisible by 2? No. Next prime number is 3. Is that divisible by 3? Yes, 325. Is it 25 divisible by 3? No. Next prime number is 5. Is that divisible by 5? Yes, it is divisible by 5. So 5 is also divisible by 5. Right? So that's it, right? Isn't it? 1 is neither prime nor composite. Smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. You need to start with 2. If it is not divisible by 2, then 3. If not, 5 and so on. All right. So 600 equals to 2 is there 3 times. So I can just 2 cube. 3 is there only 1. So it is 3 power 1. 5 2 times. So it is 5 power 2. So if remember, if x equals to a power m into b power n into some c power some x something is y, then or you can take only a and b. If x equals to a power m into b power n, number of factors are m plus 1 into n plus 1. M plus 1 into n plus 1. Remember, take this, add 1, take power, add 1. All right. So if I take 600 number of factors are 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. Okay. It can be one more AC also, it can be one more ABCD also. Okay, here three are there in fact. In 600, three are there. 2 is there, followed by 3, followed by 5. So 3 plus 1, you can see. Then 1 plus 1, done. Then you have to add 1 to that also. So equals to 24. So 600 is divisible by 24 different numbers. If 600 is divisible by x, number of possible values of x equals to 24. If 600 is divisible by x, number of possible values of x equals to 24. Now, if I take 800, 800 divisible by 2, yes. Divisible by 400, 400 divided by 2, yes. 200. Divisible by 2, yes. 100. Divisible by 2 again, yes. 50. Divisible by 2 again, yes. 25. Let me take out this. All right, so let me write that here only 24. Let me continue. Next, is that divided by 3? No. Is that divided by 5? Yes. Okay, so let me write now. 800 equals to 2 is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. All right, 2 per 5. 5 is there 1, 2 times. All right, 5 per 2. Now you know that it is m plus 1 into n plus 1. So 800 number of factors are, not 800 equals to, number of factors are 5 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. Remember, take this, add 1, take 2, add 1. Alright, so 6 into 3, 18. So 800 is divisible by 18 different numbers. 800 is divisible by 18 different numbers. Now let's cross check it for 21s. What answer we got for 26 is the answer we got. Time to cross check. Is it 6 is right or wrong? 20 divided by 2. If this formula is working or not, we need to check it. Okay, so let's check it once. 5, 1. So 20 equals to what now? 2 only 2 times, 5 only once. So number of factors are 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then you have 1 plus 1, that is 2, 6. Same number, right? So 20 is divisible by 6 different numbers. 20 is divisible by 6 numbers. Applies to all numbers. Any number you take, the first thing you need to do is divide by prime numbers only. And once you have it is in a power m into b power n, number of factors are always m plus 1 into n plus 1. This is how we have to find factors. Right? Now, what if it is, say, factorial? It's very important. What is a factorial? Before I take a factor, I think better I take one more number. I think it's better I take one more number so that it is easy. Okay, say number this term for a change is say 160 for a change. 160. First is out, dividing by 2. Okay, 80 is the number. Next is what? Again you can divide by 2. 40 is the number. Again it is divided by 2. 20 is the number. Remember to divide by 2 again. 10. Oh, 2 again. 5. 5 only once. 5 only once. All right, so it is equals to 160 equals to 2 is there 5 times 5 is there only once. So number of factors are 5 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Sorry, 12, right? Yeah. Because it is not 3, it is 2. So it is 6 into 2, 12. So 160 is divisible by 12 different numbers. 160 is divisible by 12 different numbers. 160 equals to what? 2, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 power 5. 5 how many times? Only once. So m equals to 5. So 5 plus 1. N equals to 1. So 1 plus 1, 6 into 2, 12. So 160 is divided by 12 different numbers. Now it's time for us to take factorial. Let's take a simple one. Let's start with simple one. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is 720. Now you can ask me, you can take 720 only and divide it and do it, right? Yeah, we can do that. What if it is 10 factorial? What if it is 20 factorial? What if it is 30 factorial? Isn't it? So if I take 6 factorial, it is equals to what? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Isn't it? When you prime factorize it, how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 6? 1 to 6, there are only 3 prime numbers, that is 2, 3 and 5. You need to check how many numbers are divisible by 2, how many numbers are divisible by 3, how many numbers are divisible by 5. Let's check how many numbers are divisible by 2 first. 2, 3 is a. Then one more 2 you can take, 2 is a. One more 2 possible, that is 2 ones. Again one more 2 possible, that is this. So 2 already is 4 times. Now time to check how many 3's are there. Only one number which is divisible by 3. How many 5's are there? Only one number which is divisible by 5. So 6 factorial if I take, it is 2 how many times? It is 4 times. 3 only once. 5 also only once. 5 also only once, isn't it? No, we missed one number. Where this 3 is again divisible. This 3 is again divisible by 3, so one more 3. So one more 3. Now this will take time. Because 6 factorial is such a small number, for that we are taking this many time. So that is time consuming. So how to find factors for factorial? How to do it directly? What is a shortcut to do it? So time to concentrate. This method will not work because this is time consuming. So how to find? Let's find it. It's very simple, guys. What you need to do? First, you need to know how many 2's are there, right? Then how many 3's are there, then how many 5's are there. Once you know how many 2's are there, how many 3's are there, how many 5's are there, you can add 1 and multiply and get the answer. That's very simple, straightforward, isn't it? But you need to know how many 2's are there. How to find it? That's very simple. Concentrate. 6 you divide by 2. How many 2 multiples? 3. Take that 3 answer and again divide by 2. How many multiples? Not reminder. How many multiples of 2 in 3? How many 2 multiples are there? Only 1. In 3, only 1 2 multiple. Remaining 1 is reminder, no need to take. Total how many are there? 4 are there. 6 by 2, 3. In 3, how many 2 multiples? Only 1. Next, when I take 3, 6, if I divide by 3, 2. In 2, 3 multiple possible? No. So 2. If I multiply, if I divide 6 by 5, that is 1. Now it is like this, guys. 2 is there 4 times. 3 is there 2 times. And 5 only once. 5 only once. This is how we have to do it. Okay. This is what 6 factorial. I'll repeat. How many prime numbers between 1 to 6? 2, 3, 5. Check how many 2's are there in 6 factorial. 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 divided by 2, 1. Total how many? 4. Next, 6 divided by 3, 2. Into 3 multiple possible? No. 6 divided by 5, 1. So 2, 4 times. 3, 2 times. 5 only once. So number of factors are 4 plus 1, that is 5. 2 plus 1, that is 3. 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 5 into 3 into 2. That is equals to 30. That is equals to 30. So 6 factorial is divisible by 30 different numbers. But let me take few more and explain to you guys to make it easy. If I take 10 factorial, first step is how many prime numbers between 1 to 10? That is 2, then 3, followed by 5, followed by 7. Any other prime number possible? No. When you prime factorize it, it is divided by these many prime numbers only, isn't it? Now, how to check how many 2's are there? That shortcut we already discussed. Let me do it again. 10 divided by 2. How many 2 multiples in 10? 5 are there. In 5, how many 2 multiples? Only 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining one is remainder. Is that divisible? No. Till 4 only divisible. So how many 2 multiples? 2. In 2, how many 2 multiples? 1. Total, how many 2 multiples? 8 are there. Okay. So 8 multiples of 2. How many 3 multiples, right? 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Remaining one not divisible. In 3, how many 3 multiples? Only 1. Total 4. So it is 3 per 4. Next, 10 divided by 5. 2. Is it 2 is divisible? No, you need to stop it there. All right. Next, 10 divided by 7 equals to 1. All right. Only once. So number of factors are 9 into 5 into 3 into 2. Why 9? 8 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1. Right? So it is 9 into 5 into 3 into 2 equals to 270 different numbers. 10 factorial is divisible by 270 different numbers. 270 different numbers. This is how we have to find how many 2 multiples are there, how many 3 are there, how many 5 multiples are there, how many 7 multiples are there. Okay, let me take 20. So let me take 15 first, then 25. Let me complete 15 factorial only first. Let me take that first before I take 25 factorial. 15 factorial, how many prime numbers? 2 followed by 3 followed by 5 followed by 7. 11 is prime number, 13 also prime number. Next is 17, but we are finding till 1 to 15 only. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So what is important? Finding how many 2s are there, how many 3s are there, how many 5s are there is important, right? Okay, let's find it. 15 divided by 2. How many 2 multiples in 15? 7. In 7, how many 2 multiples? Only 3 possible. 2 3s are 6. Remaining one not divisible. In 3, how many 2 multiples? Only 1. Total 11. Okay. In 15, how many 3 multiples? 5. In 5, how many 3 multiples? Only 1 possible. Okay. 15 divided by 5 is what, guys? 3. Is it you can divide 3 again by 5? No. 15 divided by 7 is what, guys? 2. Isn't it? 15 divided by 11, only 1, obviously. 15 divided by 13, 1. Okay, let's take it. 2, 11, 3, 6, 5, 3, isn't it? 7, 2, 11, 1, 13 also 1. So answer is 12 into 7 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2. This is what it is. Now, is it we need to multiply this complete 12 into 7 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 in competitive exam? Okay, or in any IIT or any other exams? No, no. In regular exam, you need to do it, but in competitive exam, it's always multiple choice. There'll be 4 options. You need to pick one of the option. So options not necessarily the complete multiplication, complete number. Okay, can be like this also, guys. Remember, so one of the option can be like this. 12 for the one of the option can be like this. Okay, 12 for the 48. Okay, 7 3 is a 21. Okay, 2 into 2 is 4. If this is one of the option, this is one of the option, that is the right one, right? 12 into 4, 48, 7 into 21. So this says this is one of the option, 48 into 21 into 4. Is it the right answer? Yes, it is right answer because 48, 21 and 4 they are in the option. Or if it is not like this, if it's a complete number, then you should multiply and get the answer. All right. Okay. Now 25 fact. Let me take one more and 25. First thing, how many prime numbers between 1 to 25? That is how many 2s, 3s, 5s, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So how to check how many 2s are there? 25 divided by 2, 12, 12 divided by 2, 6, 6 divided by 2, 3, 3 divided by 2, 1, add it, 22 it is. Okay. 25 divided by 3, 8, 8 divided by 3, 2, 10. 25 divided by 5, 5, 5 divided by 5, 1, total is 6. Next, 25 divided by 7, 3, that's it. Next, 25 divided by 11, 2. 25 divided by 13, 1 obviously. 17 also 1 only. Then 19 also 1 only. And 23 also 1 only, isn't it? So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is also 1. 11 you can see 2, 7 is 3, it is here, 11 is 2, 7 is 3, then 5 is 6, 3 is 10, then this is 22. So number of factors are 23 into 23 because it's always m plus 1 into n plus 1, right? 23 into 11 into 7 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, this is what it is. So option can be something like this. Not necessarily the same option, but something like this. 23 into 3, so 69. 23 into 3, 69. 11 into 7, so 77. Okay, next. 4 into 2 into 2 into 2, 64. 69 into 77 into 64. Okay, that is number of factors of 25 factorial. So what is important in this is not that 69 into 77 into 64 is not important. How to approach is important. So approach is very important. Finding factors of factorial. It's a very important concept where you have to find not only factors of numbers, but finding factors of factorial. So first thing is from 1 to that particular number, write down all the prime numbers and check how many that 2's are there, how many 3's are there, how many 5's are there, how many 7's are there. Then add 1 to it, add 1 to it and multiply it. Because if x equals to a power m into b power n, number of factors are always m plus 1 into n plus 1, m plus 1 into n plus 1. This is how we have to find factors. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll continue number system in the next video because there are many other concepts under number system which we have to discuss. Thank you.